What are common HVAC evaporator types and problems? Types of evaporators. Forced convection. In this type of evaporator requires a pump or a fan to push the refrigerant across its coils. Natural convection. In this type of evaporator, no external pump or force is needed to push the refrigerant through the coils of the evaporator. The coolant is naturally pushed due to the differences in density and pressure between the warm and cooled refrigerant. Bare tube evaporators. They usually have a flat and zigzag shape or an oval trombone, each shape made through several turns of metal tubes. Plate type evaporators. In this type of evaporator, copper or aluminium is embedded in the plate of the evaporator, thus having a flat surface that is in full contact with the refrigerant. These kinds of evaporators are more efficient in their heat exchange function due to the flat shape of the external plate. Thin tube evaporators. These types of evaporators are tube evaporators with metal fins, usually copper or aluminium, welded upon them. Evaporator problems. Frosty coil. Most common problem of an evaporator is the forming of ice on the surface of the coil. The air conditioning blowing hot air. Another common problem is the air conditioner blowing hot air instead of cold when in cooling mode. A reason for it could be dirty coils, where dirt and dust stick to the metal surface and act as an insulator. HVAC having electrical issues or signs of smoke. In this type, air conditioner may not cool and might even show signs of smoke due to excess heat inside and excess usage of such a faulty air conditioner. In this case, sometimes the evaporator too burns out and needs replacement. Coil damage problems. HVAC systems faces that of coil damage. This is a problem not to be taken lightly, as a damaged coil can cause the coolant to leak or spark a fire due to friction. The connection between the evaporator and the core is damaged. In this case, when the connection between the evaporator coils and the core is damaged, the refrigerant may leak from in between, and the air conditioner may not work properly. Compressor stops functioning. AC compressor is linked to two main components of the system: the temperature switch and the temperature sensor. If these switches fail to function, it will ultimately impact the compressor activity and might disable it entirely.